We're back! Mitchell Griffith here with Griffith Goods and Spirits, and today we're doing the movie that made every frat boy want to be a business major and put a Jordan Belfort quote in their bio.
I want you to deal with your problems by becoming rich!
That's right, we're doing Walk of Wall Street and sake bombs.
If you sell anything, sell that. Go ahead. Sell me that pen.
Can I finish eating first? I'm eating tonight.
Want to do a fun date night or an easy family dinner? Well, EasyBins has got you covered. EasyBins is a convenient and easy way for you to get all your groceries delivered straight to your door. They've got this recipe and hundreds more on their website. And use the code Griffith5 at checkout in order to get $5 off your next EasyBins order.
I will not die so...
As we always do, let's start with cocktail. Today, we've got sake bombs because I figured it'd be pretty fitting for the energy of this movie. You've got one Sapporo. You're gonna fill your glass halfway up. And then you're gonna take your chopsticks, place them on top, and you're gonna do 2 ounces of sake. And top these right on top. Now that you've got your sake bomb ready, it's time for the Matthew McConaughey warm-up.
Come on. With a common denominator.
And your sake bomb is good to go.
What is wrong with you?
Now that we've got our sake bomb done, time to start on the fried rice. We've got 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil going in your wok. If you don't have a wok, just go ahead and use a large sauté pan. And then we're gonna go ahead and crack and scramble 3 eggs. Just start hard scrambling these eggs. And you wanna keep this moving just to make sure that nothing burns or sticks to the bottom. We just added our 8 ounces of chicken in here. We're gonna go ahead and start getting this good and cooked up. Our chicken's about 80% of the way done, and you're just gonna wanna go ahead and keep that cooking in here. You're gonna add half of a white onion and 1 cup of matchstick carrots. And you're just gonna let everything in here get to know each other.
Donnie Azov.
Hey, Jordan Belfort. Nice to meet you.
Our onions are turning a little translucent, and our carrots are a little bendy now. Now that we've gotten some good color on our onions and carrots, we're gonna add 32 ounces of cooked white rice. Now that we've gotten all of our rice toasted up, it's time for our finishing ingredients. We've got a chicken bouillon cube that has been mashed up so it'll mix better. We've got 1-inch knob of ginger, finely minced. We've got 4 cloves of garlic, finely minced. We've got ½ ounce of sesame oil, 1 ounce of soy sauce. And we're gonna go ahead and just mix all this together. We're gonna add in a few final ingredients. We're gonna add in a couple pinches of salt, just salt and pepper it to your taste. A few cracks of black pepper. A secret ingredient is just 1 tablespoon of butter. And then we're gonna fold in some green onions. You also wanna save a few of these just to top. One of the best things about fried rice is that you can customize it to how you want it. We've got a little bit of green onions and some sesame seeds on top. We've got our sake bomb ready. And now, you're ready for family dinner.
I'm not leaving. I'm not leaving. I'm not fucking leaving!
Do you want to be invited to the next family dinner? Well, hit us up with a like and subscribe and click that bell in order to be invited to the next family dinner.
I tell you what, you show me a pay stub for $72,000 on it, I quit my job right now and I work for you.
Well, hit us up on Patreon in order to get exclusive merch, behind the scenes, and recipes that you can't get anywhere else.
No, yeah, everything's fine. Hey, listen, I quit.